In this video, I will show you how to get Snapchat Plus for free legally. First, launch open the Snapchat app on your device and make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here, locate the option of Snapchat Plus. Go ahead and select that. Here, if you find the free trial option, then you will see an offer such as 7-day free trial before choosing a subscription plan. Go ahead and select the offer and follow the on-screen instructions to activate it. Keep in mind that free trials are not offered to everyone and may vary by region or promotion. Now tap on the next option and follow the on-screen prompts. If you only want to try Snapchat Plus without being charged, make sure to cancel the subscription before the free trial ends. You can manage or cancel your subscription through Play Store or App Store subscription settings depending on how you subscribed. Another legitimate way to access Snapchat Plus for free is through official promotional offers. Snapchat occasionally partners with companies or runs special promotions that include free access to Snapchat Plus for a limited time. Keep your Snapchat app updated and wait for any official announcements or in-app offers. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.